What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another unboxing video. This video, we're unboxing the Ultra Street Fighter 2, the Final Challengers Ken Masters. Here's the front of the box. Here's the side with some of the art of the other fighters. Here's the back with Ken Masters and some of the figures that will be coming out relatively soon. The next releases will be Dulcim and Bison. Here's the other side. You have a couple of the other figures and a little bit about Ken. Here's the top and the bottom. Let's get him opened up, see what all he comes with. Here we have Ken Masters, the figure. Alternate head is Hadouken. Alternate hands. And the little stand for the fireball. So here we have Ken Masters out of the clamshell. Figure looks pretty good. If you choose, you can keep the background, which is Ken's stage. Looks really good for a backdrop. Here's another look at his Hadouken. You can see that there are his hands in there, just like Ryu's. I don't know if it's mine, but if you can see that, seems like this is kind of foggy, not a real way to clean that up, but maybe that's how it's supposed to be. I'm not really sure. If you have this figure, let me know in the comments if yours is the same. But yeah, there's another look at his Hadouken. Here's this one. And here is the other one. Here's a closer look at Ken's alternate head. Let's take a look at his articulation. The head will definitely go right or left, and the neck, I'm sure, can rotate. He can look up some. Definitely looks down pretty good. And he does have some tilt, lots of tilt. The arm will go all the way around and will come up to about 90. There are butterfly joints, so his arms can come in really well and go back decent amounts. You can also get full bend in his elbows. And for those that care, notice that there are no visible pins. His fist will rotate. He also will crunch pretty good and bend back really well. His leg will come up pretty good. Will come out to the side all the way so he can do the sideways splits. And not a whole lot of back. There is a double knee joint. So if he wanted to, can kick his own butt. And there is a thigh swivel. And for the feet, can flex up about this much, flex down pretty good, and it can pivot Also, uh, the little ankle part can swivel also. And again, there's just a lot of good movement and real good articulation with this figure. Jada did really awesome job. And just like the Ryu figure, you can remove the upper part of his gi. Just undo this part. And what I do like about this upper part of the gi, it's a very rubbery type of plastic. So it's easy to come off. Check out those abs. Let's just kind of do this. And the nice thing about having those butterfly joints definitely helps make these easier to take off. But here you get a better look at the butterfly joints. And good look at the back bend and his ab crunch. So really good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, especially if you haven't gotten any of the Street Fighter figures yet from Jada, that you can remove the upper part of the gi on both Ryu and Ken. I always have to try out this pose, but since basically this is using, I'm pretty sure, the Ryu body, I wouldn't be surprised he was able to do this. I would have been more surprised if he couldn't hold this pose. Are you a fan of Street Fighter? If so, which version? Who's your favorite character? I kind of either picked Ken or Ryu a lot of times, and Chun-Li. Those were three of the characters that I would normally pick when I played the game. Yeah, in my opinion, for the price point and what you get with this figure, Jada knocked it out of the park. If you can't find them at Target, you can always check Big Bad Toy Store. That is where I got mine, but I've seen plenty of people find them at Target. So if you find them there, awesome. If not, I gave you the other option. Of course, I had to do the hurricane kick. Here, Ken's getting ready to do his Hadouken. Here's Ken firing off his Hadouken. Again, figure's pretty awesome. Definitely happy that I picked him up. Here I have Ken standing next to SH Figure Arts Naruto in Kurama Link mode and G.I. Joe Classified's Retro Storm Shadow. Here's Ken with Star Wars Black Series Luke Skywalker and Power Rangers Dino Thunder Black Ranger Tommy Oliver. And just for fun, here is Ken with the figure Obscura from Four Horsemen, Son Goku, and Master Wayne. So at the end of the day, I'm definitely happy I picked up this figure. Again, for the price point and the accessories he comes with, totally think it's worth it. Again, if you're looking for this figure, check your Targets, or you can get them on Big Bad Toy Store. And no, this is not sponsored by them. Be cool if it was. Also, if you check down in the description, hit the more, you'll see links to my various social medias, to TikTok and Instagram. If you want to follow me there, that would be awesome. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Let me know what you think about the figure in the comments down below. Again, are you a fan of Street Fighter? Who's your favorite character? But that's going to do it. So until the next video, Simo says, be awesome to one another, collect what you like. Until the next video, Hadouken!